Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 16. The name of the chapter is climate. Climate it means Abohava. Now our next topic is, dear children, seasons of India. What is our next topic? The next topic is seasons of India. It means Bharatnu Rutu Chakra. Now first of all we have to learn in detail about the seasons of India. Weather in our country remain almost the same for every 2 months. Dear children, you know very well that the weather in our country remain almost the same for every 2 months. This 2-month duration is called the seasons, and that's why what happened that this 2-month duration is called a season. As per the tradition, what happened that, dear children, as per the tradition, there are the 6 seasons in India. What happened that as per the tradition, there are the 6 seasons in India, and they have to given the name of the seasons. There are Hemant, Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha and Sharad. These 6 seasons in India are there. There is hardly any noticeable difference in the weather between 2 successive seasons. So, if 2 seasons are taken simultaneously, then there would be only the 3 seasons of the year. What happened, the dear children? If we are taking these 2 seasons are taken simultaneously, then there would be only the 3 seasons of the year. Which 3 seasons are there? One cold season, second one is a hot season, and third one is a rainy season. Which means 3 seasons? One is a cold season. Cold, it means Shit Rutu. Second, hot season, it means Ushna Rutu. And third, rainy season, it means Varsha Rutu. Changes in season are experienced distinctly in India. Cold weather start with the beginning of the winter. Dear children, you know very well that cold weather start with the beginning of the winter. Winter, it means Shiyal. Temperature and the gradually increase during the summer. Summer, it means Unal. In summer season, what happened? The temperature gradually increases. With onset of the monsoon, air gain the moisture and bring the rain. What happened there? In the monsoon season, the air gather moisture and bring the rain. Indian Meteorological Department. What happened there, dear children? Here, the Indian Meteorological Department of Government of India and Delhi has divided the climates of India into the 4 seasons. What happened there? Indian Meteorological Department of Government of India and Delhi was divided the climate of the India into how many seasons? Into 4 seasons. One is a cold weather. Second one is a hot weather season. Third one is advancing monsoon season. And fourth one is entering monsoon season. Already now we will study into the detail also. First, they have given about the cold weather season. Cold weather season, it means Shit Rutu, and it is also known as, we can say, winter. Winter, it means Shiyal. From which month? From December to February month. Second, they have given about the hot weather season. Which one? Hot weather season, it means Ushna Rutu. Which one? Ushna Rutu, and which is also, we can say, known as the summer. Summer, it means Unara, and the time duration from March to May month. After they have given third, advancing monsoon season. Which one? Advancing monsoon season, it means Varsha Rutu, and we can say that it is rainy season. Rainy season, it means Chomasu. From which month? From June to September month. And next one is the retreating monsoon season. Which one? Retreating monsoon season, it means Nirvartan Rutu, and it is also, we can say that, from October to November. And we can say in Gujarati, from retreating monsoon season, it means Pacha Farta Mosmi Pavanuni Rutu. In which month? October to November. And dear children, already whole cycle of the season they have to given with the image of seasons of India in your textbook. Main winter, summer, monsoon. After they have given about Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. After the full chart, they have to given in the Gujarati month, and after they have to given into the English month, and after they have to given the cold season, hot season, rainy season and retreating season with the practically with they have to given in the image with your textbook. After dear children, they have to given. Now we will study into the detail one by one. First of all, they have to given about the cold weather season. Which they have to given, dear children? They have to given about the cold weather season. It is also we can say that known as a winter. From which month? From December to February. Now we will study this portion season. So we get to the detail, dear children. Be careful. Which one? Cold weather season. It means sheet rutu. We can say winter siyara. From which month? From December to February. In India, the 3-month duration from December to February is considered as a winter. Which month we are considered as a winter, dear children? From December to February month. It means 3 months. December, January, February. This 3 month is considered as a winter season. Sun shine vertically over the southern hemisphere between 22nd September to the 21st March. India is situated in the northern hemisphere. You children, you know very well that India is situated into the northern hemisphere. So it is under the influence of the slant sun ray between December to the February and the low temperature prevalence. What happened that during the cold weather season? What happened that India situated into the northern hemisphere, so the influence of slant sun ray between December to February and the low temperature was prevailing. Winds blow. What happened that winds blow from northeast direction from the Central Asia. If you to see from the Central Asia part, then which direction of the winds is there? Northeast direction is there. These winds are dry and cold, and these winds are dry and cold. So the weather also remain dry and cold during the cold weather season. The sky during this season generally remain the clear. And what happened there? During the cold weather season, the sky during this season generally remain the clear. Clear, it means cloudless. Northwest India remain comparatively cooler. If you to see the northern part of India, what happened there? Northwest India remain comparatively cooler as it is far away from the sea, and some part of it is a desert. During the winter, this region developed the high pressure. What happened that during winter region, during the winter region developed the high pressure, and this deflect the winds. Dry and cool winds are generated due to the high pressure. What happened there? Due to the high pressure, dear children, dry and cool winds are generated. These winds reduce the temperature of the places over which they are low. What happened there? These winds reduce the temperature of the place over which they are blowing up. In Delhi, the temperature often goes below the 10 degrees Celsius during the winter, and it remains around 16 degrees Celsius in Allahabad and 18 degrees Celsius in Calcutta. Yes, children, here they have to given the temperature of the three cities. Which one? They have to given the temperature of the Delhi 10 degrees Celsius during the winter season. Same way 16 degrees Celsius in Allahabad and 18 degrees Celsius in Calcutta. Same way, at this time the temperature in Himalaya is much less. If you to see the temperature of the Himalaya region, then what happened there? The temperature of Himalaya region is much less. The January, what happened there? The January, the temperature of Shimla, Darjeeling is around the 5 degrees Celsius. How much, dear children? In January month, if you see the temperature of the Shimla, Darjeeling is around 5 degrees Celsius. After the snowfalls in the Himalaya, the cold and heavy winds rush towards the northern Indian plain. What happened that during children? After the snowfalls of the Himalaya, the cold and heavy winds rush to the North Indian plains. As a result, this plain along with Gujarat and Rajasthan under the grip of the cold wind. And what happened? That snowfalls in Himalaya, they affect the plain along with Gujarat and Rajasthan under the grip of the cold waves. Temperature decreased suddenly, and that's why what happened that dear children, temperature decreased suddenly. Frost in some area disrupt the cotton crop. Temperature does not fall below the freezing point. What happened that dear children, be careful and remember, temperature does not fall below the freezing point during the winter except for the high mountain region, because the central Himalaya offset extremely cold winds. What happened that dear children, here the central Himalaya offset the extremely the cold wind coming from the Central Asia and protects India from the several cold. Now who was protecting dear children? We can say that the central Himalaya offset extremely cold wind coming from the Central Asia and protect the India from the several cold. Same way dear children, they have to given that the condition in South India. Already now we have to see the condition of North India. Now they have to given about the condition of the southern part of India. Condition in the southern India during the winter are the different from those in the North India. If you have to see the condition of North India and the South India, both have the different condition. South India is situated into the torrid zone. Dear children, already we have to learn that southern India part is lies into the torrid zone. Which zone? In torrid zone, near the equator and has a peninsular shape. Which shape they have? Peninsular shape. Its interior area is not very far from the sea coast. We know very well that the southern part they are three-sided from the seas area, and that's why what happened that here its interior area is not very far from the sea coast. So this area does not feel severe cold as the northern India. Here northern India feel very cold, but in southern India they are not feel very cold as compared with the northern India during the winter season. Which season? During the winter season there is no snowfall. Dear children, in North India there is no chances of the snowfall, but in South India there is no snowfall. Temperature also does not go down very low. Here what happened there? In southern India the temperature also does not go down very low. Example, the temperature at Kochi during January is around 26 degrees Celsius. Madurai is 25 degrees Celsius and Chennai is 24 degrees Celsius. Now dear children, they have given the temperature of the three cities, which Kochi 26 degrees Celsius in January, Madurai 25 degrees Celsius and Chennai is 24 degrees Celsius. But the mountain area in South India feel the low temperature. Temperature decrease towards the north. In India, the winter is considered to be very pleasant and healthy season. Dear children, be remember and careful what they have to say that in India, the winter is considered to be the very pleasant and the healthy season. Please, what happened there? Pleasant. Pleasant it means spurtidaya. Healthy season. Healthy it means concerned with the health. Arogya vardhaka season. Due to the longer and cooler night, dew and fog are common in early morning. What happened then? In early morning, we have to see what? We have to see the dew and the fog are common in the early morning. We have to see. We can say in Gujarati, Dhummas Chakar. Day in the shorter and the night is longer. What happened then, dear children? Here in the winter season, day is shorter, night is longer. In winter, dry wind coming from our land masses generally do not bring the rain. But northeast wind coming over from the Bay of Bengal contain the humidity. What happened then? During northeast wind coming over from the Bay of Bengal contain the humidity. These winds give the more rainfall over the Coromandel coast. Northeast get some rainfall due to the western disturbance and thunderstorm. What happened then, dear children? Here northeast gets some rainfall due to the western disturbance as well as the thunderstorm. This rain is very useful for the Rabi crop in Punjab and Haryana. What happened then, dear children? This rain is very useful for the Rabi crop in Punjab and Haryana. These winds give the rain in Gujarat occasionally. What happened then, dear children? Here, these winds, northeast wind, also give the rains in Gujarat occasionally, and these unseasonal rain, dear children, we remember in winter season what happened there. This unseasonal rain in Gujarat is locally called a mautu, and that's why in Gujarat we can say that this unseasonal rain in Gujarat is locally called a mautu. Thank you, dear children.